Now, this is how we can know if a message is delivered on the iPhone. So it depends on which message you mean, because there is the iMessage, which uses internet and is identified by a blue text message bubble. On the other hand, there is also the green message, which is just a regular SMS over your carrier, and it does make a difference. The green one doesn't have the ability to say whether or not it's being delivered or read, but you can see and know that it was delivered because you didn't get the pop-up that it wasn't. You see, over your carrier, when you just type in someone's phone number and you send the SMS message, unless you get the pop-up or the error message that the text couldn't be delivered, then you can be sort of sure that it has been delivered. On the other hand, the iMessage is marked by the delivered icon. So when you send a message, you need to pay attention to the little text and the little indicator below the sent text message bubble. And it's going to let you know about the status. So at first, it's going to say that it's being delivered. Then it's going to say that it has been read and also perhaps at the time at which it was read. So it depends on that. If it doesn't say anything, then it has only been sent and not delivered. So that's how you can know that. Obviously, if you use different apps like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, it's going to look a little bit different, but the principle is the same. Like WhatsApp uses the single and double tick to indicate the sent and delivered messages, but the principle, as I say, exactly the same. So that's it. Hopefully, I managed to answer the question for you. If there is something that you want to ask, then use the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.